We need to prove that circle on any focal distance of an ellipse as diameter, it touches the auxiliary circle. So what we'll do is we'll first draw this ellipse. Now let the focus of this ellipse be S1 and S2. Now there's a point P, and with this PS1 as diameter, we have drawn a circle. We need to prove that this circle, it touches auxiliary circle of this ellipse. So let the center be at origin and let the center of this circle is C. Now we know that radius of this larger circle, it will be simply OC and then plus radius of this smaller circle, which is R. So first we'll find coordinate of this point C. So this point P is A cos theta and B sin theta, and coordinate of this point S1 is minus AE comma 0. So coordinate of this point C will be A, and it will be cos theta minus E upon 2 comma B sin theta upon 2. So we can find OC as under root of A square plus B square. So it will be A square and then cos square theta plus E square minus 2E cos theta upon 4 plus B square sin square theta upon 4. Now what we'll also do is we'll write B square as A square into 1 minus E square. So we'll take this A square upon 4 common. So we'll write A upon 2 and then it will be cos square theta plus E square minus 2E cos theta and then plus 1 minus E square sin square theta. So it will be sin square theta minus E square sin square theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is 1 plus E square into 1 minus sin square theta, it is nothing but E square cos square theta and then minus 2E cos theta. So we can write this OC as A by 2 and this is A minus B whole square. So it will be 1 minus E cos theta. So value of OC is A by 2 into 1 minus E cos theta. Now we need to find radius of this circle. Now radius of this circle will be distance between C and S1. So this small r, it will be under root of, now what is CS1? CS1 is A cos theta minus E by 2 and then plus AE. So we'll add it, then we'll get A cos theta plus E by 2 whole square and then plus B square sin square theta upon 2. B square sin square theta upon 2. Now we'll solve it. We'll get the same result except for the condition that here we'll get this plus sign. So we'll get this R as A by 2 into 1 plus E cos theta. Now we'll need to find this R, which is OC plus R. Now OC plus R will be A by 2 1 minus E cos theta plus A by 2 1 plus E cos theta. So this E cos theta will cancel, then A by 2 plus A by 2 will be simply A. So radius of this larger circle is equal to A, which makes this bigger circle an auxiliary circle. So this is how we prove such questions.